Herbalism is the original medicine of all people. As Dr. Terry Willard says, our planet grows herbalists. It has become more relevant now in the modern age than ever as we see this resurgence of interest in deepening connection to the natural world. And if you're feeling called in these times to align with the natural world and to empower your health of yourself and community, then Wild Rose College would love to help support you in deepening your confidence around working with plant medicine. The newly upgraded Practical Herbalist Diploma Program offers a lifetime access to 11 in-depth courses, including plant ID, foraging and herbal pharmacy, body systems, anatomy and nutrition, herbal basics, advanced chemistry, and materia medica. This will give you a foundation in over 100 herbs and how to build strong formulas, as well as support individual health needs. Plus, you get access to the Wild Rose Herbal Village, which is our online community with dynamic conversations between students, as well as many bonus resources and extra webinars to really give you that community piece that you need to support you in this herbal journey. We want to help this planet grow herbalists, and we believe that there is a awakening happening right now after we've gone through many turbulent times to step into this holistic thinking and really critical awareness of supporting health at a deeper level. You can find full details on our program and the sign up at wildrosecollege.com. Our hope is to see herbalism in every community. We want to give you the tools and empowerment to support your community with plant medicine. So step onto the plant path in your journey as a herbalist. Sign up for the Practical Herbalist Diploma Program and join the Wild Rose community today.